Hello everyone. Good evening. Sorry, good afternoon everyone. Are we live? Tell me in the chat section. Are we live? Are you able to hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible? Tell me in the chat section. Amazing creativity. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Am I audible? Just okay. Okay. Great. 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 Just I'll be waiting for a minute so that everyone can join. You guys can share this with other your friends so that everyone can join this session. All right. Yes. Hello everyone. All right. So let us start our class. So I welcome all of you to India's largest education platform, Unacademy. Let's crack NEET UG. This is an English platform. All right. And this is our organic chemistry class. We would be studying organic chemistry. All right. So let me first introduce myself. I am Nitesh Devnani. I have 5 years of teaching experience and I have taught over 2000 plus students who have got great marks in NEET examination. Yes, hello Shabika, hello Devaki, hello Amazing Creativity. Hi everyone. So let me tell you about the subscription plan of Unacademy. If you purchase it, you will be very much benefited from it. All right. So this is our Unacademy learning app. This is our Unacademy learning app. Just wait a second. Hello Jayesh. Hello everyone. Yes. I'll be just please wait. Yes. Alright, so you need to download this Unacademy learning app. Alright, we will be also conducting free sessions on this Unacademy learning app. So after this session, download this app. Alright. Okay, so if you buy the subscription plan, you will be very much benefited. Let me tell you what all you will get when you buy the subscription plan. Alright, you will be getting daily live classes from top educators. All right, there would be live test and live quizzes also. All right, there is a very structured, very proper format of the entire curriculum and you will get unlimited access there. All right, so these all benefit you will get from the subscription plans. Also there are free classes, but just you need to download the Unacademy learning app. All right, you will get free lectures from different educators. All right, these are educators on the Unacademy platform. Now let me tell you about the pricing of Unacademy platform. You need to whenever you purchase subscription, you need to apply Nitesh YT as your code. Nitesh YT, there is no space. All right, Nitesh YT is your code. You will get 10% off. 12-month course you will have at 27,000. 24 months course you will have at 32,400. After you apply my code, you will be getting 10% off. All right, so this was all about the subscription plan. If you purchase it, you will be very much benefited from it. All right, so let us start today's topic. Today we are going to cover fundamental concepts of reaction mechanism. Like today we are going to study how reaction occurs and what are the steps in those reactions. What is an organic molecule? What attacks on the organic molecule to start the reaction? These all things are we are going to study in this class. All right. So please pay attention. Please pay attention here. See. You have your organic molecule. All right, Organic molecule is also known as substrate. We also call it substrate. Alright. Now on this organic molecule, yes Devaki, sure. Yes, we'll do it. We'll do a session. On this organic molecule, attacking reagents. On this is an organic molecule. Attacking reagents attack this molecule. Alright. And in this process, some intermediates are formed. Alright. These are intermediates. Now these intermediates are converted into products and byproducts. Alright. See, I will tell you one trick. Whichever reaction it is, most of the reactions are multi-step reaction. That means if you want to make A, from A you want to make D, suppose. Alright. These are multi-step reactions. What do I mean by this? This A is first converted into B. This B is then converted into C. Like, I'm just taking an example. C is then converted into D. Alright. So, but if you will see only the reactants and products, the reactant is A, the product is D. Then what is this B and C? These are known as intermediates. These are known as intermediates. Species which are formed during the reaction. These are known as intermediates, which are formed during the reaction, but they are never products. Alright. So intermediates, let me write definition of intermediates. Intermediates are species which are formed during the reaction and are completely consumed in the reaction. They are never in the product side. They are just an intermediate step. So intermediates are those species which are formed during the reaction, which are consumed during the reaction. Alright. They are never the reactants, they are never the products. Alright. So this whole process, an organic molecule is present, which is known as substrate. They are attacking reagents, we are attacking them on the molecule, then there are intermediates formed, then intermediates are converted into products and byproducts. This entire mechanism is known as reaction mechanism. Got it? This entire process is known as reaction mechanism. Tell me in the chat section, are you able to understand this? Is this clear to you all? Just give me a thumbs up in the chat section, like this video also. Alright. Now I am going to tell you about fission processes. See, there are two types of fission. What do I mean by fission? Fission is breaking of a bond. Fission is what? Breaking of a bond. Alright, fission process means breaking of a bond. Alright, now see, there are two types of fission. Let me explain you both. First is heterolytic fission. Alright, let me explain you this. Alright, just pay attention. Suppose A and B are forming a bond. Alright, suppose A and B are forming a bond. Alright, bond means it has these two electrons. Now suppose in case first I assume En is electronegativity of A is greater than electronegativity of B, and I am going to break this bond. What is electronegativity? Electronegativity is power. Electronegativity is basically power. So if the power of A is greater than power of B, then both these shared electrons would be taken by A. Got it? Because A has what? More electronegativity. Right? So they will result in formation of A minus and B plus. Right? Why minus? Because A has acquired one electron extra and B has lost one electron. Alright, so B acquires positive charge, A acquires negative charge. This is the case when power or electronegativity of A is greater than B. Alright, same, there can be another case, yes, where electronegativity of A is less than electronegativity of B. Alright, now power of B is more. Now B will take electrons, so B will have charge minus and A will have charge positive. Are you getting my point? Whose electronegativity is more, that will acquire negative charge and the other one will acquire positive charge. Alright. So these type of bonds where there is electronegativity difference, these are known as polar bonds. These are known as polar bonds because there is some electronegativity difference. Alright. And heterolytic fission, it leads to formation of cations and anions. See, cations and anions are formed, so it leads to the formation of cations and anions, and it is favored by polar bonds. Polar bonds means where there is electronegativity difference. Are you able to understand this? Tell me in the chat section. This heterolytic fission is clear to you? Alright, so now let me move on to next type of fission. There are two types of fission. The next type of fission is homolytic fission. Alright, homolytic fission. Now suppose again there is a bond between A and B. Alright, now the electronegativity of A is almost equal to electronegativity of B. What is electronegativity? Power. So power of A and B is almost equal. So when we will break this bond, A will say I am taking my electron with me, B will say I am taking my electron with me. Alright, why? Because the power is same. Power of both is same. So it will result in formation of A dot is electron plus B dot. This dot is what? Electron. Alright, these species are known as free radicals. Free radicals means they have odd electron. This electron is also known as odd electron. Alright, this result in formation of free radicals. Hello VK Music Hub. Hello. Alright, are you able to understand this? Now where electronegativity is same almost, these are known as non-polar bonds. Is this much clear to you? Tell me in the chat section, is this much very clear to you? Alright, so this was about two types of fission. Homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. Homolytic fission leads to the formation of free radicals, and heterolytic fission leads to the formation of cations and anions. Charges are developed. Alright, so this was type of fission. In how many ways the bond between two atoms can be broken. Alright, now we will study about attacking reagents. What are attacking reagents we need to study in this class? Alright, so attacking reagents, those agents which are going to attack our organic molecule and start the reaction. Alright, so attacking reagents basically are of two types. Generally these are of two types. One is electrophile, one is electrophile. Let's break this word. Electro means, as we all know, electron. Phile means loving. So these species are electron loving. They need electron. They need electron. So tell me in the chat section, if they need electron loving species are the one who loves electron. So what would be the charge on electrophiles? Tell me in the chat section, what would be the charge on electrophiles? Come on, tell me in the chat section. What would be the charge on these electrons? Sorry, on these electrophile. No, they love electron. They love electron. So if they are loving electron, they are loving negative charge. So if they are loving negative charge, they must be having what? Positive charge. Correct? Are you getting my point? Because they love what? Electrons. They love negative charge. So they must be having what? Positive charge. That's why we say opposite attracts. Got it? Amazing creativity. Is it clear now? Now what are the examples of these? Positive charge electrophiles are like CH3 plus, R plus. These are all examples of your positive charge electrophiles. As well as there are neutral electrophiles also. There are neutral electrophiles also. Okay, let me explain you this. See, example is AlCl3, BF3. Let me explain you this. Now let's see aluminium. Let us observe aluminium. The electronic configuration of aluminium is 3s2 3p1. Correct? Now p subshell has 3 orbitals. Correct? And it only has 1 electron here. So these are what? Empty orbitals. No electron is present in these. These are known as empty orbitals. So these species, neutral electrophiles, can accept electrons in these empty orbitals. Right? They can keep electrons in these empty orbitals. Therefore, they are also acting as electrophiles. Yes, because they can accept electrons. These are also acting as electrophiles. Why? Because of empty orbitals. Because of empty orbitals. Are you getting my point? Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if you are able to understand this. If you are able to understand this, please give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Come on. Yes, so this was all about new electrophiles. All right, now tell me those, what are those species called which accept electrons? They electrophiles are basically what? Electron loving. They are accepting electrons. So what those species are known as? Lewis acid or Lewis base? What those species are known as? Tell me in the chat section. Yes, they are known as Lewis acids. They are known as Lewis acids. Alright, so electrophiles are also known as Lewis acid. This is one type of attacking reagent. Alright, let me cover the other type of attacking reagent. This is nucleophiles. This is nucleophiles. Let us again break this word. Nucleo is nucleus. Alright, philes means loving. So those species who love nucleus, are known as nucleophiles. Now tell me, nucleus is what? Positively charged. They are loving positive charge. So what charge they must be having? Tell me in the chat section. They love positive charge. They love positive charge. So they must be having negative charge. They must be having negative charge. Very good, amazing, great, very good, very good. Devaki, tell me. VK Music Hub, come on. Jayesh, Shabika, they must be having negative charge. Now what are examples of negative charge nucleophiles? CH3 negative. Alright, it must be having just negative charge. OH minus negative, your chlorine negative, bromine negative, F negative, iodine negative. These are what? Nucleophiles. So very good, very great. Alright, now this is negatively charged nucleophiles. As well as they can be neutral nucleophiles also. There can be neutral nucleophiles also. Like what are the examples of those? Examples of those are H2O or alcohol, ROH. All right, ammonia. Now, why they are behaving as nucleophiles? See, this is oxygen. So oxygen is having what? Lone pair. Here also oxygen is having lone pair. Here also nitrogen is having lone pair. So they attract, see, they have large electron density, so they can attract positive charge. Positive charge they can attract. So they are what? Nucleus loving species. They need positive charge. Why? Because they have lot of electrons, and electrons are of negative charge. Are you getting my point? So these are nucleophiles. Why they are nucleophiles? Because they have lone pairs. They have lone pairs. All right. And see, electrophile was a Lewis acid. Similarly, your nucleophile would be Lewis base. Why? Because they have electrons, so they can donate their electrons. All right. Are you getting my point? Great, Vishal. Yes. Are you getting my point? These are Lewis base. So this was all about nucleophiles. If you have understood, tell me in the chat section. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Come on. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section, and also like this video. Yeah. All right. So see, in the beginning of the video, I have written this complete equation. Organic molecule, we know, a chain of carbon compounds, right? We have talked about intermediates. We have talked about the ways in which we can break bonds. Now I will give you a brief. I will give you a very brief introduction to intermediates. I have given you what is the definition of intermediates. Now I will give you few examples of intermediates, and believe me, we are going to study very much in detail these all intermediates. All right. So reaction intermediates. All right. So species, I am again writing this definition: species which are formed during reaction, and are consumed during reaction. Alright, species which are formed during reaction and which are consumed during the reaction are known as reaction intermediates. Now, what are the examples of it? First example is carbocation. Let us again break this word. Carbo, our champion of organic chemistry, carbon. Cation means positive charge, correct? So those carbon which have positive charge on carbon, those molecules which have positive charge on carbon are known as carbocation. Example, CH3 positive. All right, CH3, CH2 positive. See, in this, carbon atom has positive charge. So these are examples of carbocation. Is it clear? So this is a reaction intermediate. Second type of reaction intermediate is carb anion. Now again, let us break this word. Carb is your carbon. Anion is negative charge. So those molecules having negative charge on carbon are known as carbanion. See, CH3 negative, CH3, CH2 negative. These all are what? Carbanion. Are you able to understand this? This was a second intermediate. Third very important intermediate is free radicals. Free radicals, I have explained you, these are odd electrons. Like that dot which I have explained you before. So like CH3 dot. Alright, CH3, CH2 dot. These are all your odd electron. Alright. Yes. So see, this class Kunal, right now there are no special classes, but I'll be very soon conducting those classes, special classes. Okay, I'll be very soon conducting it. All right. So, are you all able to understand reaction intermediates? Give me a thumbs up in the chat section. Come on, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in the chat section if you are able to understand this. So, see, this the purpose of this class was to make a short video or a short class so that you can understand the basic mechanism. No, uh, for tomorrow, just for tomorrow, I need to talk to the management. All right. Right now, the class is scheduled at 11 p.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. All right. But I will talk to the management if possible. If possible, there would be only one class, and I would tell you the timing. So please just come on this channel and see what is the timing of this of my class. All right. All right. Those students who are new, I've just let me tell you, right now we are having two classes, one at 11 a.m. and the other at 1 p.m. But now we are going to conduct a daily class of 1.3 hour to 2 hour. All right. One day it would be of physical chemistry and the other day would be of organic chemistry, and we'll be have one daily class. We'll have one class daily. That would be better. You will have better productivity in this way. All right. So tell me if you guys have any confusion, you guys can talk to me. You guys can tell me right now. Do you guys have any confusion? Tell me. Do you guys have any confusion? No? All clear? Devaki, amazing creativity, Jayesh, Ravi, Shabika, Vishal, everything clear? All right, great. Devaki, see, if the compound is positively charged, so it is electrophile. If it is negatively charged, it is nucleophile. All right, see, if it is positive charge, this is what? Electrophile. Or it has empty orbital, it is electrophile. Similarly, if it is negative charge, it is nucleophile. If it has lone pair, it is nucleophile. Is it clear, Devaki? Karina, is it clear? Because opposite attracts. One that loves electron, one that loves negative charge has to be what? Positive charge. Should be what? Positive charge, because opposite attracts. All right. Yes. Ask me more questions if you have any. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you have any questions, you can surely ask me. Is everything from today's class clear? Everything crystal clear? Yes. Everything crystal clear, guys? Okay. So, okay, we are ending this class right now. All right. So this is your, again, I'm about, we just kept a very small session. All right. So this was about the subscription plan. This is a 12-month plan. This is a 24-month plan. Whenever you are purchasing it, just apply the code Nitesh YT. I will be you will also help me a bit, and you will also get 10% off if you apply this code. All right. Okay, then we will. Hello Neetu, hello. Guys, attend regular classes. Guys, please try to attend regular classes and please try to see the complete video. Okay, so that you guys can also benefit. I also feel that yes, we are creating some value, we are helping you. All right, so please attend complete lectures, and we are completing the course, and we will study in very much detail for the NEET examination. All right, so let us end this class. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video, see you in the next class. Bye bye, take care, take care.